What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another snowmobiling video. Today I am at Polaris in Mohawk, New York, and we're going to be putting a can on my sled, and then we're also going to be putting a clutch kit on my sled. The clutch kit I'll be putting in a separate video of the can video, but so I'm at Polaris today. We're going to be putting the can on, and great customer service here. I would highly recommend, if you guys live in upstate New York, to check him out. And also, if you guys are new and you're looking for a new 850, he actually has 3 850s in stock right now. He has 2 SKS 146s, and he has 1 Indy XC. So, I mean, the sleds are phenomenal. So if you're looking for an 850, he's got 3 that people backed out on the last minute. So, but we're gonna get the sled unloaded right now. It's warming up in there, and I'm gonna do a quick little before, you know, for the exhaust, and we'll show you how that is, how loud it is and everything. And when I get the can on it, then I'll come back again and I'll show you what it sounds like with the can on it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so here's gonna be the first startup. I let it warm up a little bit, so it's not a complete cold start, but this is what it sounds like now. All right, guys, so we got the sled in the shop and we pulled off all the paneling and everything, and to take the stock exhaust off, it's actually not hard at all. So what you're going to want to do is you want to unscrew right here, this part right here, and then all you got to do is there's 4 little springs. You're going to pop this spring here, pop this spring right here, there's another spring back here you're going to pop, and then there's one more spring, which is, where's that last spring? 1, 2, 3.
There's 2 up here.
2 up there. Okay, yep. There's 1 back in underneath there. So once I get it off, I'll show you guys the new one when we put it on. All right, guys, so we just got the huge exhaust off. The thing weighs like 30 pounds, the suitcase. So we got it all off, and then next we'll be getting the SLP can put on and go from there. All right, guys, so we got it all installed. Looks nice. Can't wait to see how it sounds. We're getting the clutches put back on right now. So once we get that on, that's gonna be in a later video though. I'm gonna be doing a review on the clutch kit that I got to get in it and go from there. Sounds a lot better, meaner. That's a lot better than what it was before. So as you can see, guys, it's amazing. The sound on it's way better. It's not too loud, not too quiet. So I'm stoked. Can't wait to get it up north, really test it out. Also, my clutch kit that I got put in it, I can't wait to test that out. He said that he's had some people report back to him already on his clutch kit, and they said that once it gets out of break-in, it really livens up and it just is even quicker revving, and I mean, it's just even faster. Like, it just accelerates even faster. So I'm stoked to see how everything works out. Like I said before, if you guys haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. If you guys want to see some other things, let me know. And also, don't forget to check out Polaris in Mohawk, New York. I'm going to leave the number down in the description so you guys can give him a call. Especially, he's got 3 left over well, he's got 3 850s that he has left now because people backed out. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.